Hello everyone, this is Disha. In this video, I will share a few important questions of the chapter Body Fluids and Circulation. First question, plasma without clotting factors is called first serum, second lymph, third blood, fourth CSF. The right answer will be serum. Plasma without clotting factors is called serum. Second, neutrophils and monocytes are first anti-allergic cells, second phagocytic cells, third antibody secreting cells, fourth antihistaminic. The right answer will be phagocytic cells. Neutrophils and monocytes are phagocytic cells. Question 3. Which blood cell is involved in antibody production? First B lymphocyte, second T lymphocyte, third RBC, fourth neutrophils. Right answer will be B lymphocytes. Question 4. Prothrombin is converted into B by A. Fibrinogen is converted into C by B. We have to find A, B and C. These are the options. Right answer will be prothrombin is converted into thrombin by thrombokinase. So A will be thrombokinase, B will be thrombin. Thrombin converts fibrinogen into fibrin. So right answer will be first option. Question 5. Match the following: neutrophils, monocytes, eosinophils, basophils, lymphocytes. We have to match them with their percentage. The right answer will be second. Neutrophils are 60 to 65%. They are maximum. Monocytes are 6 to 8%. Eosinophils are 2 to 3%. Basophils are least 0.5 to 1%. Lymphocytes are 20 to 25%. Sixth question, in ECG of normal healthy individual, which of the following waves is not represented? First, depolarization of atria, second, repolarization of atria, third, depolarization of ventricles, and fourth, repolarization of ventricles. So the right answer will be second, repolarization of atria. There is no wave for repolarization of atria. For depolarization of atria, P wave. Depolarization of ventricles, QRS. And repolarization of ventricle के लिए T wave. So there is no wave for repolarization of atria. Question 7. What would be the cardiac output of a person having 72 heartbeats per minute and a stroke volume of 50 ml? First 360 ml, second 3600 ml, third 7200 ml and fourth 5000 ml. We have to find cardiac output. Cardiac output is given by heart rate into stroke volume. So we have to multiply the heart rate and stroke volume. Right answer will be second, 3600 ml. Question 8. Heart pumps blood more forcefully in older person than younger person due to decrease in first O2 content of blood, second elasticity of artery, third nutrient content, fourth collagen strength in body. Right answer will be second, elasticity of arteries. Question 9. A student prepares slides of TS of blood vessels. Means transverse section of blood vessels की student ने slides बनाई है. The labels on the slides got mixed up. He can recognize TS of artery through A. Wider lumen, B. Thicker tunica media, C. Thin walls, D. Thicker elastic membrane. तो हमें TS of artery वाले डायग्राम के बारे में सोचना है. The right answer will be thicker tunica media. Tunica media is thick in artery. And thicker elastic membrane. Elastic membrane is more developed in artery and it is thick. जो ल्यूमेन होता है आर्टरीज का दैट इज नैरो. वाइड ल्यूमेन वेन्स में होता है, इसलिए ए ऑप्शन गलत हो जाएगी बिकॉज इन टीएस ऑफ आर्टरी ल्यूमेन शुड बी नैरो एंड वॉल्स शुड बी थिक. सो द राइट ऑप्शंस आर बी एंड डी. आंसर इज थर्ड. 10th question. Lymph differs from blood in possessing first more protein and less waste, second less protein and more waste, third more protein and more waste, fourth less proteins and less waste products. The right answer will be second. Lymph has lesser proteins and more waste products. Question 11. The vascular connection that exists between digestive tract and liver is first hepatic portal vein, second renal portal vein, third pulmonary vein and fourth hypophyseal portal vein. The right answer is first hepatic portal vein. 12th. Inability of the heart to supply blood in adequate quantities to the body is called first heart failure, second heart attack, third cardiac arrest and fourth angina pectoris. The right answer will be heart failure. It is also known as congestive heart failure because it is due to congestion of lungs. Question 13. Evolution of heart in vertebrates has been towards first flow of atrial blood through heart, second complete separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, third minimizing flow of venous blood through the heart, fourth all of these. Right answer will be second, complete separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Because as the heart has become four-chambered, double circulation has become more prominent. Question 14. What is not true for human heart? First, lies in between two lungs, slightly tilted to the left. Second, size of clenched fist. Third, ectodermally derived. Fourth, protected by a double membranous back pericardium. We have to find the incorrect statement for heart. First statement is correct, second statement is also correct and fourth statement is also correct. It is not ectodermally derived, heart is mesodermally derived. So third statement is incorrect and it will be our right answer. Heart is mesodermally derived. Question 15. If an injury damages the chordae tendineae of tricuspid valve of human heart, making it partially non-functional, what will be the immediate effect? First, pacemaker stop working. Second, blood will tend to flow back into left atria. Third, flow of blood into pulmonary artery will be reduced. Fourth, flow of blood into systemic aorta will be slowed down. Right answer will be third, flow of blood into pulmonary artery will be reduced. Question 16. A vein possesses a larger lumen because first, tunica media and tunica externa form a single coat. Second, tunica media and tunica interna form a single coat. Third, tunica interna, tunica media and tunica externa are thick. Fourth, tunica media is a thin coat. The right answer will be fourth, tunica media is thin coat. Tunica media is less developed in veins. That's why it has a very wide and large lumen. Question 17. Which of the following septa in the human heart are thick and muscular? First, interatrial, second, interventricular, third, atrioventricular, fourth, none of these. The right answer is second. Interventricular septum is thick and muscular, whereas interatrial septum is thin and muscular and atrioventricular septum is thick and fibrous. Question 18. We have to identify the incorrect statement. First, SA node and AV node can generate cardiac impulses. Second, nodal musculature generates action potential through external stimulus. Third, SAN generates maximum number of action potentials. Fourth, rhythmic contractile activity of heart is maintained by SA node. Incorrect statement will be second, because nodal musculature does not require any external stimulus. ये बिना किसी एक्सटर्नल स्टिम्युलस के ही एक्शन पोटेंशियल्स जनरेट कर देता है. इट इज ऑटो एक्साइटेबल. बाकी फर्स्ट, थर्ड और फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट्स ठीक हैं. क्वेश्चन 19. The disorders in which there is acute chest pain due to failure of O2 supply to heart muscles and increased systolic pressure respectively are: first, hypertension and angina; second, hypotension and hypertension; third, angina and hypertension; fourth, heart failure and hypertension. The right answer will be angina and hypertension. Angina is the acute chest pain. Hypertension is increased blood pressure. Question 20. Mammalian heart is autoexcitable and its function can be moderated by dash mechanism. First, only neural; second, only hormonal; third, both 1 and 2; fourth, neither 1 or 2. Right answer will be both 1 and 2. The function of heart can be moderated by both of these mechanisms.